Dripping Springs Trail in New Mexico is home to a natural waterfall, and now after several days of strong rains, that waterfall is flowing strong. News Operations Manager Tom Scott walked the trail and brings us the sights and sounds.
With the amount of water that fell over the last few days in the area, Dripping Springs should have a lot of water coming out of that mountain. Well, here we are, and there's not a soul in sight. That's a beautiful sound. The water coming out of the rocks.
Closest thing you get to a vacation. I couldn't remember exactly where it was, and then I was talking with my mom, and all of a sudden I stopped and was like, oh, whoa, because you could see it. There's like you can come around the corner, and then there it is. And it stopped me in my tracks, and I was like, whoa, yeah.
I feel advised to drink the water. Apparently it hasn't been tested, so it's really unfit for drinking.
Oh, that's cold. I think everyone should visit here if they can, and just, I really would ask people to leave it better than they found it.
This reservoir was built by Eugene Van Patten in 1892. It was to impound and supply water to the nearby Dripping Springs Hotel. It's just like Patrick said. It's beautiful, it's solitude, and it's just a way to get away. In the Oregon Mountains, at Dripping Springs, Tom Scott, ABC 7.
Masterful photographer Tom Scott.